Good morning, students. Today I'm taking a new topic, revaluation account. Actually, this is in continuation of goodwill, admission of new partner, and the topic is revaluation account. This is the format of revaluation account, particular amount. There are 4 columns, and in this account we record decrease and increase in value of assets and liabilities. So first entry is by assets. If there is increase in the value of assets by at the time of revaluation, then it is recorded in credit side, and decrease in value of assets, it is recorded in debit side to assets. Then to liabilities, if there is increase in value of liabilities, it is recorded in debit side, and if there is decrease in value of asset as in liabilities, it is recorded in credit side by liabilities. And if there are some unrecorded liabilities or assets at the time of revaluation, then these entries are recorded in revaluation account as to unrecorded liabilities in debit side and by unrecorded assets in credit side. And after entering all these entries, all these revaluation entries, this account is balanced, and if the balance credit balance is there, it indicates profit. If credit balance is there, it indicates profit, and if there is debit balance, it indicates loss. And if there is profit or loss, whatever the condition is, this amount is distributed among old partners in their old ratio. So in next questions we will study about how we prepare revaluation account with amounts. So here I am taking question number 28 of NCERT book, and this is the question. Leela and Meeta were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. On 1st January 2007, they admitted Om as a new partner. On the date of Om's admission, the balance sheet of Leela and Meeta showed a balance of rupees 16,000 in general reserve and rupees 24,000 credit balance in profit and loss account. Credit balance shows the amount of profit. Record necessary journal entries for the treatment of these items on Om's admission. The new profit sharing ratio between Leela and Meeta and Om was 5:3:2. Okay, if there is amount of general reserve or investment fluctuation fund reserve, workman compensation fund reserve, and credit balance or debit balance of profit and loss account, these amounts are distributed among old partners in their old ratio, because these amounts are earned by old partners, so they have the right to distribute among themselves. So entry is for this to record general reserve and profit and loss account. Entry will be general reserve account debited 16,000, profit and loss account debited 24,000 to Leela's capital account, to Meeta's capital account. These both are old partners. Om is not included in this entry. And now total amount is 16,000 plus 24,000, it is 40,000, and 40,000 is divided among Leela and Meeta in their old ratio, that is 5/8 and 3/8, and the amount will come 25,000 and 15,000. So here against Leela's capital account it is written 25,000, and Meeta's capital account it is written 15,000. So this is only one single entry will be passed in this.